There you go. Oh yeah. Yeah, these crack addict fans are gonna love you. There we go, good girl. That's all I got. Maybe one more right here. Yeah. Okay, there it is. I knew it was there.
Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. There it is.
Oh, man.
And breathe. Oh, yeah. You feel that all the way down, Eddie?
Yeah.
Good. Keep breathing. Let me have your neck. Drop it in my hand. Perfect. Boy, that was perfect. Yes, sir. And I'm not going to kid you, these adjustments, when you're in as much pain as Eddie was when he first came in, they're sore just because the bones themselves are so far out and you're inflamed. So, you know, we recommend that he put crushed ice on there.
Deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay facing the opposite way for me. All the way out. Very good. Excellent.
I'm going to be adjusting specifically C5